Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Geeta. Today we will be solving a problem from RBI Grade B 2021 question paper. Prakash deposited a certain sum of money in a bank which provides him compound interest of rupees 1260 after 2 years at a certain rate of interest and rupees 1200 as a simple interest for the same period time at same rate of interest. So the rate of interest per annum is question mark. So from the first sentence, Prakash deposited a certain sum of money. Principal is just P, which provides a compound interest of 1260. So compound interest we get here is 1260 after 2 years, which means n or time, whichever you can take, which is anything is fine. So t time is equals 2 years at a certain rate of interest. So we don't know the rate of interest, we can take it as R or I. I is interest. And rupees 1200 as simple interest. So for simple interest gets 1200 for the same period of time, which is t equals 2, and at the same rate of interest, which means R is equals I. R by 100 is equals I, since the rate of interest will be in percentage. So the rate of interest per annum is question mark. So from the first set of data we have compound interest. The formula we know here for compound interest, amount equals P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power n minus P. So now just substituting the values whatever we have here. Amount we know for compound interest is 1260 equals P is just P, 1 plus R by 100 is I interest, whole power n. N is the time period, which is t equals 2. T is also the n number of years, time period, minus P as it is. Now from the second set of data we have here is simple interest, which is the formula we know for simple interest is P n R by 100. So again substituting the values, simple interest value we have here is 1200 equals P as it is. N is the time period, which is 2, and R by 100 is I. So now this is the first equation and this is the second equation. Now dividing this first equation by second equation, we can find the value of rate of interest. So first equation is simplifying this 1260 equals P. P is taken as common outside. So P into 1 plus I the whole square minus 1, because P is taken as common, divided by the second equation, which is 1200 equals P into 2 into I. Now simplifying further, so which is P gets cancelled, 1260 divided by 1200. Even this can be cancelled or simplified. Even this can be simplified, which is equals 1 plus I the whole square minus 1 divided by 2I. So which is equals, so expanding this, 1 plus I square equals 1 plus 2I plus I square minus 1 divided by 2 into I is 2I. So plus 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled, which is 2I plus I square. So this can further be simplified. So this is 0 get cancelled, and when you simplify this, 2 6 times is 12, 2 3 times is 6, 2 6 times 0, and 3 2 times is 6, 3 1 times is 3, and 3 2 times is 6 0. So 21 by 20 equals, so again in this I is taken as common outside, I into plus 2 divided by 2I. So I gets cancelled, so 1 plus 2. So this can be cross multiplied, so which is equals 2 times 2 is 4, 1 times is 2 divided by 20 equals I plus 2. So this is simplified further, which is 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 10 is 20. So 21 by 10 is equals 2.1 equals I plus 2. So I equals 2.1 minus 2, which is I equals 0.1, which is nothing but the rate of interest equals 10%. 0.1 is 10. The rate of interest per annum is 10%. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments.